I'm Griff Tonkin. I'm one of the partners here at the Arthofer Tonkin law offices. We're a personal injury law firm, which means we represent people who've been injured through the fault of others. Today I want to talk to you about bus accidents and video footage. It's a pretty specific topic, but it illustrates several important legal points. Buses are some of the largest and heaviest vehicles on our roadways, which means they have to be driven with particular care and skill because they're just simply more dangerous given their size and their weight. We've litigated a number of cases involving bus accidents. We've litigated cases involving private buses and buses operated by public entities. When you're involved in an incident where the person or entity that caused your injury is of a public nature, meaning they're a public employee or a public service like public transportation, there are special rules that benefit the public entity and make them more difficult to not only sue, but also more difficult to ultimately make a recovery against. Also, the time frames against public entities are much, much shorter. Well, in these two bus cases that I want to use as illustrations for you today, we were able to determine that not only did the bus have a backup camera, but had a number of other cameras, and they took high quality video footage. These cameras allowed us to determine in a pedestrian versus bus case exactly the accident dynamics and how this person had been injured. In another case that we handled that was a bus case, it was a bus and a motorcycle. This case showed us exactly, or the cameras rather on the bus showed us exactly how the motorcycle and bus were moving in relation to one another prior to the accident. In fact, in that case, we were able to acquire video footage from an adjacent school, and that showed a great deal of information both before the accident, during the accident sequence, and after the accident sequence that allowed us to properly handle that case. If you've been injured, it's important that you contact an attorney who knows not only how to deal with public entities, large vehicles, but also acquire the evidence necessary to determine exactly what happened in your case and how to properly care for both your legal needs and take care of you as a client. That's who we are here at the Arthofer Tonkin Law Offices. If you'd like to work with an attorney like that, we'd like to consult with you about your personal injury matter. The consultation's free. Call our office today.